This unknown indicator on TradingView gives buy and sell signals when the price retests the moving average. It is so simple to use that even a trader with little experience can master it. Here are the trades this indicator found on Ethereum's price chart. It is amazing how accurate this tool is. In this short tutorial, we'll show you our way of using the Wyckoff-Check MA indicator as well as how to turn it into a highly profitable trading strategy. A strategy with clear and defined rules based on supply and demand principles and market dynamics. Traders, if you enjoy our content, please like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. Our goal with this channel is to share the latest and most effective trading strategies in the simplest way possible. Without wasting any time, let's begin the tutorial. Traders, if you're tired of losing streaks and wish you had the guidance of a professional, we've found a solution for you: Easy Options Live Trading. Forget about confusion and blown-up accounts. From now on, you have the opportunity to follow the lead of a professional options trader who gets a consistent 80% plus win rate. Yes, you heard it right. His signals are highly accurate and the process is very simple. All you need to do is attend daily live streams during market open and enter and exit trades along with Winger in real time. In addition, you'll learn high win rate strategies no one else teaches. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. Before I show you how to find the indicator, it is worth mentioning that this tool works great for day trading on shorter time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. It can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, Forex, and stocks. Currently, I'm on Ethereum price chart on the 15-minute time frame. To install the indicator, open the Indicators menu and search for Wyckoff-Check MA by Fontira Mishu. The following step will be to open its settings. In the Inputs section, the indicator has 4 customization blocks. The first block includes moving average settings. Here, we can select the MA type, source, and length. The indicator has up to 12 moving averages to select from. Each moving average has a specific calculation method. I personally prefer the exponential moving average. However, you can experiment with different options too. The moving average source will remain on default as well. When it comes to MA length, the higher the number, the slower the moving average. The most optimal length I found is 100. The second block of indicator settings includes trend validation. This number defines how many bars are required to validate the trend after the price closes above or below the moving average. For example, when the market is compressing, it is always a smart idea to wait and not open a trade. During a consolidation phase, the price often crosses the moving average up and down. Candlesticks rarely stay above or below the moving average for long. That's why validating a trend by a certain amount of bars closed above or below the moving average from the initial cross helps eliminate the market range. For example, if we change this number to 30, fewer signals will be shown on the chart. I recommend keeping this number at 10. Another way to increase or decrease signal quantity is by playing with these settings. Overall, this is a quite versatile indicator that can be used for various trading strategies. The thing is, a moving average of a stock's price is often viewed as a price level the market tends to return to. This level can act as support or resistance depending on the trend. However, not every pullback to the MA results in trend continuation. Some pullbacks can change the trend direction completely. The reason we use this Wyckoff-Check MA indicator is to separate good pullbacks from bad ones. You see, when the price respects the moving average in an uptrend, the candlesticks do not close below it. Instead, candle bars with large lower wicks are formed. This is a sign of strong support created around the moving average sellers struggle to break through. When this occurs, the indicator produces a buy signal. The opposite is true when a sell signal is issued. Price finds strong resistance around the moving average before continuing to fall. If you pay close attention, you can notice that some signals have really high accuracy and some don't. To eliminate all the bad ones, we came up with some interesting ideas. After inspecting these alerts, we learned that the first pullbacks to MA after the trend shift had higher accuracy than the second and third ones. The reason this is true is because after the first pullback, a trend still has plenty of room to develop. By the time the price retests the EMA for the second or third time, the trend could be pretty much over. At this point, it may be too late to open a trade. This was observation number 1. The next thing we noticed that using a simple candlestick pattern like an engulfing bar as a secondary confirmation can dramatically improve signal accuracy. Here's an example of a long setup. After a trend shift from bearish to bullish, the price retested the EMA for the first time. A buy alert was generated since all pullback rules were in place. The very next candlestick after the signal has completely engulfed the previous candle. Considering this, we can be confident of strong bullish pressure and trend continuation. Based on the knowledge you have learned, observe the following price action and tell me if the given sell signal is valid. Take your time. So, do you think this sell signal is confirmed? If your answer is yes, you're correct. All the rules are in place. Another filter I highly recommend adding to the existing strategy is the money flow index. There are many money flow index indicators out there. I personally recommend this one by Dreams Defined. We'll need to customize it for better visuals. Open the Style section and make the money flow line white. Increase the background opacity and hide the levels. The money flow index is a technical oscillator that measures the inflow and outflow of money into an asset over a specific period of time. It is a momentum indicator that is related to the relative strength index but incorporates volume, whereas the RSI only considers price. The MFI is often used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in a traded security. With this indicator in place, we can check if the security is overbought or oversold at the pullback to EMA. Additionally, the money flow index can detect low-activity trading zones in price. It is easy to incorporate the indicator into an existing strategy. Simply check the money flow before initiating a trade. For example, if by the time a bullish engulfing bar is formed, the MFI becomes oversold, the signal is valid. This is a fundamental rule for every strategy. Buy at the dip in the uptrend, sell at the peak in the downtrend. By the way, this trading strategy can be fully automated into a profitable trading bot with PionexGPT. Simply copy the indicator's source codes and paste them into the chat. Ask the bot to code a trading strategy with your predefined rules. The bot will combine the indicators into one script. You can then copy the script and paste it into Pine Editor. The bot will scan the market for trade opportunities and execute buy and sell signals for you without you lifting a finger. I believe Pionex is currently one of the best crypto exchanges out there. If you want to learn more, I made a video tutorial on how to do that. If you're interested, I'll leave the link to that video in the description. You can watch it right after this one. Traders, if you enjoyed today's episode, like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies if you're new.